so bad, y'all. This truck is super dirty right now. And the only thing I could think about is getting the wash. But then, for the fact is, all this snow, we've been getting a lot of snow. For some reason, I don't know why. And another thing, too, I noticed, though. One day it's cold as shit. The next day is like 50. Today is like one of them days where it's like 45, close to 50. That's why I'm outside actually on my break time filming right now. And one thing I could say, though, after I came out, I'm going to take advantage of it because I know it's going to get colder again later on today. But I got something special today for the Ram that we have been talking about for a while. This truck been needing for a long time. But what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Happy, Friday? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. And look at that, man. Look at all that dirt right there. So I got two things I want to show you guys on this truck real quick. First thing we're going to talk about is the headlights. And then there's I think it's the license plates lights also that I have right here in my hand. I want to show you guys. But the biggest thing is the headlights. As you guys can see those headlights on there. They are super, they have a lot of water and stuff inside of it. Crazy thing is, those are not the actual headlights that came with the truck. The truck actually had the actual OEM headlights. Effing flies like trying to get in my freaking face. But they look good though. I ain't gonna lie. They look good on the truck, but I actually changed them out to like these smoked out headlights, smoked out. But after like probably at least less than a year owning this, one headlight doesn't work and the other side is not really that bright. They still work, kinda, but I wouldn't recommend buying those headlights because I bought these. I forgot where I got them from, but I spent somewhere around like at least. They wasn't cheap though. I most definitely remember spending at least almost, I think probably $600 or probably five something close to six. And these wasn't no cheap headlights. I don't understand why they came out the way they came out. It still got that nice look, but we got some new headlights today, and that's why I want to be able to show you guys. It's in the truck. So right now I got to take out my tripod real quick so I can try to hook it up so you guys could be able to see, so I can be able to use my two hands. You guys give me 1 second real quick. It is what we have in here. These are, from my knowledge, these are like the best headlights that you could put on the 4th generation Dodge Ram or these Ram trucks in general. I know a lot of people actually say a lot of good things about these, and these are the VLAN headlights, projector headlights that are in here. I'm about to unbox, and then also I have the license plates. I wouldn't say ball, but lights. The one I have, I bought from Amazon also. Those really didn't last that long. So I'm not going to be installing these things today, but this is just like an unboxing because I am on my break right now. So I'm about to unbox this out, show you guys how it look. You know, if you guys interested, I'm pretty sure. From my knowledge, seeing this though, one thing I could say is these are most definitely one of the best headlights you could get. And I personally think that these look 100 times better than the actual stock headlights that you could put on these trucks or any kind of headlights, in my personal opinion. Let me back my camera up a little bit so you guys could be able to see it's a little bit more. So we're about to open it up real quick. It is a nice day today. I ain't gonna lie, man. It's kind of nice outside. Definitely came out packed kind of good, way better. This is how you know, right? This is how you know when you have some real good quality parts or something like that. Normally you could be able to tell from how it's packed out. Like these headlights right here, these are not the first headlights I bought. Like those headlights that I have on the truck, when I bought them, they never came as packed like this, just in case, you know, if you drop it and stuff, just so it doesn't get damaged or anything like that. open it up. Holy cow. Look at these, y'all. Super nice. I do believe they come with like a couple different setups from seeing how it was on YouTube. These does have like, I think it have like 3 different kind of light switch mode or something like that. I'm not too sure, but I'm about to show you guys real quick. Let me take it out. Holy cow, look how clean that looks. I gotta put this over here. Let me see. Let's see how clean this looks. Super clean. Super clean. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. I'm gonna try to peel this off too. I'm gonna peel this off a little bit so, because I gotta go back in the box. I don't want to get a scratch. But look how clean that look, yo. Look how clean that look. One of the biggest thing about this headlights, I ain't gonna lie, that really got my attention, that I love the most on here, is the fact that these are like I think like the projector headlight style. Like how it got that look on the inside, kind of like an eye. I don't know if you guys could picture what I'm trying to tell you guys, but. And then another thing is, you don't just get the switchback lights on here, like the bottom part, like they normally will on the stock OEM ones. I think it's the top part also. And it has like different kind of color mood. For mine, I'm just going to stick to just one regular color. And I think you could switch these to like red or blue or white, something like that when I seen on YouTube. But these are definitely some fire headlights. I ain't going to lie to you guys. For what I pay for these, like dang near $700, close to $700 and stuff. I would say it's definitely worth it though, because I'm going to show you guys a little comparison real quick. Let me open this up. Nothing special in here, but I'm doing some unboxing, so I might as well just be able to show you guys. This is a regular smoked out license plates, bulb and stuff. I wouldn't say bulb, but like the lights itself. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, if you got one of these trucks, this might sound kind of cheesy though, but one of the hardest thing I ever did on this truck, I had to put on this truck, right? As far as parts, not the Lawrence springs, none of that, was one of these, because when you put these on there, right, so there's like these clips that comes with them. Mine, the first one I bought, they didn't come with these clips, so I tried to use the old ones that was on there, and it was kind of like a pain to put on there, because you can't really see, how you putting it in there. So you got to really be able to go off of the same way you take it out. It's the same way you got to go back in. So it took me a while. Now I think one of the wires on the old ones that's on there, they end up breaking off and stuff like that. But one side worked. But these are kind of fire though. I had to go with black on black, everything. It's my favorite, But just to show you guys, I know you guys don't care much about this. Pretty much care about the headlights itself. So we're gonna put this back in there. And we're gonna go back up front. Move my camera real quick. Yo, these headlights is fire. Yo, look at these, dog. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm actually hype about this, yo. I'm even gonna try to put my fingerprints on there, but I gotta try to hold these a certain way so it doesn't fall off. And I want these to go back on there too. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys real quick. We're gonna walk around, show you guys like the actual. All right, these are the driver's side. So this is the driver's side right here. So let me try to see if I can do a little bit of a comparison to show you guys. Move back a little bit more. Y'all see how clean that look, y'all. Look how clean that look. Super clean, y'all. Look at that. These are not really bad headlights, but it's just the quality of them. Didn't really come out the way I wanted them to be, but these right here, definitely gonna make this truck look crazy, yo. Definitely gonna make the truck look crazy. Yo, so you guys see the new headlights I got for the truck. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. If you guys have one of these, the same headlights, because I know for the 4th generation Ram trucks, there's a lot of people who actually have like some YouTubers and stuff that I watch that actually have these headlights, and they actually vouch that it's a good headlights. Super excited to be able to put this on the truck. Hopefully I could put it on this week, depending on how nice it's gonna be out. So far, every other day we've been having a good day, cold day, good day, cold day. So, but we'll see, you know, but it ain't gonna be that long. Gonna put those on the truck with the exhausts we have. Also, definitely excited. So you guys want to stick around, keep supporting the channel. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about that. I definitely would appreciate the support. Those who are subscribed, locked in, following the build and everything, I definitely want to say I appreciate that. So take care, stay safe, and peace out.